and shines. Others will follow in line. As we board the greenhouse train, we'll say goodbye to acid rain. As we fight global warming, we'll stand united as one.
Hi guys, welcome you all for Welfare of the World Nature Automatic System Principle and Roles. Today we would like to know about diversity and superiority of structure by nature and human. Lot of things spontaneous developed by nature, and after that many things invented by human. Nature structure like flora, animal, humans, land, sky, etc. is the entire universe. Human structure like pencil, pen, mobile, TV, etc. all are artificial invention. The structure of the nature does not harm anyone, and the analysis of the structure of the nature cannot be written on any paper. Therefore, the structure of the nature cannot be recreated by human. The structure created by man is harm to nature from the beginning. Even if we make pencil, there is a loss of nature. That's why it is said that artificial development is the cause of destruction. In the same way, for example, human structure take mobile. It is also being built by human. So we can write a mobile analysis, complete specification on paper, and can create another mobile in the same way. No one has understood the mystery of the structure of nature till date. As if a child born in the mother's stomach, and then no one knows that till date the formation of his eyes, ear, nose and tongue. Really nobody can know that how his eyes, tongue, nose all created. So cannot write his analysis on paper, and cannot write, so cannot create another by human. It is only by understanding the law of nature that nature has created around us everything for happy and comfort life, so that natural pleasure should be enjoyed. Nature save environment, stop pandemic and save universe from many unnatural harm. Kindly step up to know principle and rules of nature. This is very easy and very positive for everyone. We will try to know more mystery of reality of beautiful nature. Kindly like, share and subscribe for next update. And give your comment if you have better idea for welfare of the world. Thank you very much.